Hello and welcome to English Clarity. Are you ready to speak English with more confidence every day? You're in the right place. At English Clarity, we make learning English simple, practical, and enjoyable. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to improve your speaking, listening, vocabulary, grammar, or pronunciation, our lessons are designed to help you communicate naturally in real-life situations. You'll learn through everyday conversations, easy-to-follow explanations, listening practice, shadowing exercises, and useful expressions you can use immediately. Our goal is simple: to help you understand English clearly, speak confidently, and enjoy the learning journey. If you're serious about improving your English, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you for joining us. Now let's start learning English together with English Clarity.
Good morning. I am awake. Good morning. I am awake.
I brush my teeth every morning. Brush my teeth every morning.
I eat breakfast every day. I eat breakfast every day.
The bus is coming. The bus is coming. Coming.
I have a question. I have a question. Yes, Caroline?
I need some apples. Hey! I need some apples.
Can I have a coffee, please? Can I have a coffee, please?
My dog likes to walk. My dog likes to walk.
I am working now. I am working now.
I would like some chicken. I would like some chicken.
This book is interesting. This book is interesting. Good night. See you tomorrow. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Thank you for learning with English Clarity. Your support helps us create more free English lessons. Leave a comment below with your answer or your favorite part of today's lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who wants to improve their English. Until next time, keep practicing and keep speaking.